Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find the Telegram ID on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to find the Telegram ID on your phone, first open up your Telegram app, and before we proceed guys, you need to know a thing, that is, will not be finding your username Telegram ID but the Telegram ID number of your Telegram account. And to do that, on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you will be required to search for a certain bot. To do that, at the top right there's a magnifying glass icon or a search icon. Tap on it and you need to search for the raw data bot. So let's type in raw data bot over here, and this kind of search results will appear for us, where you can see there is the raw data bot under the section chats and not the recent. There it says the @raw underscore data underscore bot. Tap to open that chat box guys, and you will be landed on this interface where you can see, in my case I have the restart button, but in your case guys you will have the start button. Tap on that start button at the bottom of the screen, and you can see guys, this kind of interface will appear where your ID will be shown to you by the reply from the bot. You can see guys, there is my ID and you will be shown your ID in a similar way. And with that being said guys, this is how to find the Telegram ID. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.